Guys, in this video, I will show you how to create questionnaires in Word document like this. People have the options to select any required column. So to create this type of questionnaires, click on Insert, then Table, and select your required table. Like 5 by 5. Now here, adjust the column width. Enter the number. Here type very useful and not useful. And here click on developer tab. If you don't have, so enable it by clicking file, more, and options, customize ribbon, and in this list just you have to check this developer. Now here click on this check box, content controller, then properties, change, and select here any type of checks. Select it, Control C and Control V. So copy and paste. Select the font size. In the home, make it center. Now add your questions here, like reading book. So write your questions, make it left. Right here, please check appropriate column. Now select and in table design, make it no border. Now people can select or unselect. So thanks for watching.